What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. Y'all miss me? I've been going through a lot. I had to move. I had to save the move. And I was staying with my brother. But that's a different story. I am here to show y'all my package that I got from AR Elite Nails. So, this is everything that came in the package. That little crinkly stuff was really pretty. I got me some, because I make press-ons. Got me some press-on nail holders. That's what I ordered. So here it is. I got two. So now I'm going to show y'all what they look like. And as I'm putting them on, I'm like, this reminds me of chess. They remind me of chess pieces. I don't know why, but when I saw them on her live, I had to get them. And I think I'm going to order a couple more because I just like having multiple things, and I really like them, honestly. So yeah, this is what they look like when they sit up on the thing. I think they glass. They might be glass. I don't know. But they're very pretty. And then this is what I got of goodies that she sent me. Is the card. Y'all make sure y'all scan it. And then she sent me some stickers. That butterfly one is really cute. And then these sparkly ones. They're cute. They're just cute. And then that one was cute. And then look at, I got now this cuticle oil. I heard is the bomb. So I'm going to test it out and let y'all know. But I heard it's the bomb. Look at this sticker. It's so big and pretty. I think I'm going to stick it on my table. I think that's what I'm going to do. I was trying to peel it off. But, and then I got a gift. Some extra goodies. Some flower charms. Look at this. It looked like a door. It remind me of Friends. On the door. I don't know if y'all know. But they so pretty. A bunch of flowers. They so sparkly.